Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x800F0908 while installing language packs on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to turn off metered internet connection. Now, how would you do this? So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select Wi-Fi, and then go to the Wi-Fi properties, and then you'll find an option for metered connection here. Turn its switch off. The next solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot, and then go to other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for this. All you need to do is, I'll actually share the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator and then paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the profiles or profile of Windows for Windows Update. It will delete the constituents of the software distribution and catroot 2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.